Do you want to create a steady stream of passive income? Learn how to create and sell your own online course and start generating revenue while you sleep. In this video, I'll outline the step-by-step process of creating a profitable online course that resonates with your audience. From choosing a profitable niche to creating engaging content, I've got you covered. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced entrepreneur, this video will give you the tools and confidence you'll need to create a successful online course and start building a passive income stream. So what are you waiting for? Watch now and start creating your own online course today. And if you'd like to dive deeper and get started, I'll include a link to my free challenge, Create and Sell an Online Course in 10 days for free. So imagine this: new leads discovering your business every day, automated sales coming in while you focus on what you love, a powerful online course showcasing your expertise and growing your revenue. It sounds amazing, right? Creating passive income streams is a dream for many of us, and today I want to talk about one of the most valuable opportunities out there: creating your own online course. Whether you're an expert in a particular field, have a passion project, or simply want to monetize your skills, an online course can be a game changer. With the rise of online learning, the demand for high-quality courses is skyrocketing, and the potential for passive income is huge. Did you know that the e-learning market is expected to grow by $309 million between 2024 to 2028? One of the biggest misconceptions people have about creating an online course is that it's only for experts or those with a ton of experience. But the truth is, you don't have to be a guru in your field to create a successful course. But what you do need is willingness to share your knowledge and a passion for teaching others. Another misconception is that creating an online course takes a ton of time and resources. And while it's true that creating it is, like a high quality course requires some upfront effort, the payoff can be huge, and the passive income can far outweigh the initial investment, especially in time. Many people also think that creating an online course is only for tech-savvy individuals, but that's just not true. With the right tools and platforms and support, creating an online course can be surprisingly simple. And finally, some people think that online courses are only for teaching academic subjects, but the possibilities are endless. From fitness classes to photography tutorials, the opportunities are vast. One of the biggest challenges people face when creating an online course is figuring out where to start. Identifying your niche and planning your content can be overwhelming, especially if you're new to online learning. Another challenge is choosing the right platform for your course. With so many options out there, it can be tough to know which one to choose. And of course, there's always that fear of failure. What if your course doesn't sell? Or what if you're not good enough? But the truth is, creating an online course is a process, and it's okay to start small. You don't have to have all the answers right away, and you can always iterate and improve as you go. The key is to start and to be willing to learn and adapt along the way. So how do you actually create an online course? The first step is to identify your niche. What are you passionate about and what do you want to teach? From there, you need to plan your content, including deciding on the format, length, and structure of your course. Next, you need to choose the right platform for your course, whether that's Udemy, Teachable, or my favourite option, System.io. And this is where my 10-day course creation challenge comes in, as I'll help you with all of this for free. Creating an online course takes work, but the potential rewards are huge. Whether you're looking to supplement your income, pursue a passion project, or build a business, an online course can be a game changer. Remember, it's not about being perfect. Please don't be perfect. It's about sharing your knowledge, being authentic, and providing value to your students. And with this in mind, I've created a step-by-step guide to help you make this reality in just 10 days or under. Introducing my free challenge, Create Your Online Course in 10 Days. Here's how it works. You'll get 10 practical lessons delivered straight to your inbox, one each day. Each email includes actionable steps, tips, and templates to take you from idea to launch. Are you worried about the tech? Well, don't be. My easy-to-follow video tutorials will guide you step by step to set up your course using a free all-in-one software, which is called System.io. By day 10, you'll have your course ready to attract leads and make sales on autopilot. So why wait? The best time is to start now. Click the link below to sign up and kickstart your journey to consistent leads and sales today. I'll leave the link in the description below this video, and let's build something amazing together. Thanks for watching. I'd love to hear from you in the comments. What are your thoughts on online courses, and do you have any experience creating one? And if you've enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel and be sure to check out my other videos for more tips on passive income and creating your online business.